Have you ever seen an animal dance to music? Meet Snowball the cockatoo. Snowball became famous for his ability to dance in rhythm to songs. Unlike most animals, he moves spontaneously, without being trained. Scientists studied Snowball to understand his unique behavior. They discovered he adjusts his movements to match the beat of music. This behavior is incredibly rare and shows cognitive complexity in parrots. But Snowball isn't alone. Parrots in the wild are known for their intelligence. They use tools, solve puzzles, and mimic human speech effortlessly. It's no wonder they've been companions to humans for centuries. So, the next time you hear music, imagine Snowball grooving along. This dancing bird shows that intelligence can take many surprising forms.